Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gigapay token. Ticker symbol is Gpay. This token just got recently listed on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on the Gigapay token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. They just joined Twitter in December 2022. They have 16,600 Twitter followers, 29 tweets so far, so they're not like super active on Twitter. But recently they've been more active because they've been getting new central exchange listings. They recently got a central exchange listing September 8th on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, all you would have to do is go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store or get it on your PC, download Bitmart, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Gpay, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token just got listed on Bitmart. You can get it there. Now this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So you can also get it off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Gpay token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, gigapay.tech. Now you might have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. They do have a full white paper that you could find on their webpage, gigapay.tech as well. Very lengthy white paper here, 12-page white paper, very tiny print. Now, according to their BSC scan, they already have 4,163 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 21 trillion Gpay tokens. They also have a Telegram that you could find at Gigapay_TG that has over 5,000 followers on their Telegram. So they're doing very well on their socials here. So Gigapay, as a blockchain peer-to-peer payment gateway, allows traders to trade and transact with each other without any centralized third party to simplify the transactions. Following the footsteps of Bitcoin, Gigapay is 100% trustless and decentralized. All parts of the transactions are performed and secured by the users of the overall currency network. Each crypto asset and user has a unique encrypted identity and are largely anonymous, so no personal information is revealed in the transaction. We offer wider geographic coverage, more reliability, more speed and low cost to all our users. With the integration of the latest technology, we offer unmatchable benefits to individuals, corporates, and merchants. We offer a simple framework for payment settlement, which allows users to convert their digital assets to USD, euros, or to swap with other cryptocurrencies immediately upon receiving the payment. So that's what they're all about, basically. It's a decentralized, self-hosted blockchain peer-to-peer payment processor managing transactions collectively by its server and network. It defends the motive of Bitcoin as peer-to-peer electronic payments with low fees and decentralized in nature, The growth of opportunity of Gigapay worldwide is enormous. A user can purchase a product and pay in crypto. The server receives the cryptocurrency and instantly converts it into fiat currency. The exact amount of converted fiat is credited to the merchant's account. As crypto is getting more popular, more businesses are accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Gigapay acts as a borderless and contactless payment technology designed on the Binance Smart Chain. So Gigapay allows payment with your crypto anywhere. Connect wallet with exchange when you access your crypto and withdraw cash at ATMs. Pay with both Visa and MasterCard. Free plastic card for payment by one tap and get cash back from making payments with the Gigapay wallet. So the reasons to choose the Gigapay wallet, it says various crypto wallets are available from numbers of vendors with different features. We assure you a combination of speed, security, and ease of use in a full custodial crypto wallet. Gigapay makes buying, selling, storing, trading, and using digital assets more convenient. Gigapay app can be downloaded for free from your desktop or phone. You can just open the app and start making crypto transactions almost immediately. So some of the features is you have full control over your money. It's deflationary, and there's privacy. It's almost free, exclusive discounts, borderless transactions, no permission, and you can earn interest up to 17.91% annual percentage yield. So the payment mechanisms, basically you can create an account, raise an invoice, wait for payment, push notification, payment confirmation, shipping, and deposits. So deflationary, there's appreciation in coins value, removal of unsold tokens from circulation, increases profitability for investors, improves liquidity for the market demand, and increases and attracts large numbers of investors. So the technology, there's front-end development, back-end development, smart contract development. And on their webpage, you can also find all their partners are available on there. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, it has like DEX tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap. So there's all sorts of technology links too that you could check out there. Solidity, Rust, Golang, Python, PHP, all sorts of different links there that you could check out. Their full white paper has all the information. But yeah, this token just became available recently on Bitmart if you want to get it off there. And it's also available on PancakeSwap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.